Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to unhide a story from a contact in Snapchat. By following these steps, you can ensure that your story is visible to the desired contacts. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Tap on a chat from your chat list, excluding the AI chat. Choose the chat with the contact from whom you want to unhide your story. Step 3. Tap on the name of the chat at the top of the screen. Then, tap on the 3 dots located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. In the menu that appears, tap on Privacy Settings, My Settings. Step 5. Enable the option that says Story. By enabling this setting, your story will be visible to the contact from whom you previously hid it. By following these simple steps, you can easily unhide your story from a specific contact in Snapchat and ensure they can view it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.